Tuberculosis, the top infectious killer in the world. In 2017, 1.6 million people died from this disease. That is more than 4,300 TB deaths per day and almost 180 per hour. All these numbers show us it's time for a change.
TB-LAMP is a DNA-based method for quick TB diagnosis. It is fast, specific and has replaced microscopy because of its built-in heating block and UV light for reading sample results. It can be used in the remotest places because it's portable.
Auparavant, les premiers et deuxièmes crachats du patient étaient utilisés en microscopie. Mais maintenant, avec la sensibilité de la TB-LAMP, il suffit de prendre les crachats une seule fois. Avec la microscopie, il était difficile de traiter 50 échantillons par jour. Cette technique nous permet de tester 14 patients ou alors 14 échantillons d'un seul coup et jusqu'à 70 en une journée. Pour moi, la TB-LAMP est la meilleure méthode de détection rapide de la tuberculose.
The high sensitivity, high throughput, and the reliability of the assay under challenging climatic conditions have convinced us. With this novel technology, we have the opportunity to find more tuberculosis cases than the traditional methods.
It is time to end TB.
It's 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 time to end tuberculosis.
It's time for a change. It's time for TB-LAMP.